Here we divide 837 by 5 in a long division method. 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting we get 3. So again we put down this 3 and it is 33. 5 times 6 is 30. On subtracting we get 3. So again we put down this 7 and it is 37. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting we get 2. So now we have no any other number to put it down. So we take here decimal, so that we put 0. So it is 20 and 5 times 4 is 20. On subtracting we get 0. So 837 divided by 5 is 167 decimal 4. So this much for today and thanks for watching.